Welcome to Kia's world of exceptional service experience. We are here to make your journey smoother with our innovative offerings that redefine convenience and transparency. Let's explore them together. Kia values transparency. Our service cost calculator can be accessed through kia.com or the My Kia app. Just open the app or website and enter the details to get an estimated cost and complete clarity before you even step into our workshop. Your time is precious. With the real-time appointment feature on the My Kia app, you can browse available service slots at our dealership and book your service appointment seamlessly. Need a same-day appointment? We've got that covered too. Ready for service? Lay back and relax because our advanced pick and drop service is here to do all the work for you. You can track your car and the driver in real time. Isn't that amazing? Receive driver details through SMS and even view photos taken during pickup. Your convenience is our priority. Curious about your vehicle's service progress? Our live service update feature lets you keep tabs on your car's journey through every step. Receive status updates on your My Kia app and via SMS. Stay in the loop effortlessly. We even bring the service bay to you. With live consultation, engage with our workshop team through voice or text during live streaming through Kia Krystal for live service. In a hurry to get moving? Our 90-minute service facility ensures your regular periodic maintenance is completed within 1.5 hours. So you can be on your way to inspiration quickly, efficiently, and without any hassle. The Kia network ensures that wherever you go, we are there with you. Isn't that amazing? One more thing before you go. The My Kia app is also your one-stop shop for any Kia purchase, be it Kia service programs or accessories for your car. You can buy everything from the app and enjoy home delivery for selected accessories. Download program invoices, certificates, and track services in real time. Isn't that amazing?
Kia, movement that inspires.